Hello all, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to insert footnote citation in Zotero like this. How are we going to get this footnote citation? If you are not familiar about how to use Zotero, you can see some of my previous videos on how to use Zotero in Word document separately. I have given all those link of those videos in the description. You can see if you are new to Zotero referencing system. So for this you need to click on this Zotero. You need to click on the document preference. Then you need to check the list of references here where you can see the note type of reference. Here in this case, Chicago manual style with note type or full note type is available. If you want some other style with note type, Chicago manual style of reference with note and full note. If you want some other referencing style with this note or full note type, you need to go to this manage styles. Then you need to click on this get additional styles where you can download any type of reference style. There you type this note search, so we can see plenty of note appearing here. Suppose let's say you want Chicago manual style 16th edition note to be present there. You click on this, automatically this will appear here. Then after downloading this note, I am going to download the full note again. So for that again I need to repeat the same process. I am going to type note here. So the same Chicago style full note I am going to download. Here the inline citation is not present. So you want inline citation. After downloading the either note or full note type depending upon your need, you can download both the styles, go back to the document preference, and if we insert this note type of reference, then automatically the author name and the title will appear if it is a note. The full reference will appear in the footnote if it is a full note type of reference. So you need to click on the document preference again. I am selecting this full note again. So when I do this, the full reference will appear here. And if you want this entire reference to be present, you can insert this add or edit bibliography here, and all the list of references will appear here. For each page, you will get the citation as a footnote in this type of reference. For that, you need to look on the note for only author and the title, full note for the entire reference to be present there. So that is how we need to insert citation in the footnote. I repeat, we need to go to document preference. We need to select either note or full note. If it is not available here, we need to go to manage styles, and there we need to go to get additional styles. We need to download this styles available here, and we need to select in the document preferences. And if the desired style of reference is not available, then you can choose the CSL editor for Zotero. There you can generate your own type of citation style where you can keep this author or number style and the type of references in your own style. So based on that, you can generate your own. The link for that CSL editor to apply in Zotero is also given below. That is how you can generate your own reference style. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you find it useful to your friends, please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe.